Alrighty, I'm doing this video for those that are interested in buying the clone replica Unity mount for the Holoson 3X Magnifier. It's going to be the HM3X Magnifier. You can get these off AliExpress or some other Chinese websites. It'll take about 3 to 4 weeks to get to you, but you will be paying like 30 bucks for it, which isn't bad. They do not make a flip to center mount for the Holoson. I got this as more of a test to see how I would like it, because I do plan on getting the EOTech magnifier with the real Unity mount. Now the riser for the EOTech, it is also a knockoff clone. I think I paid like 8 bucks for it. I would never use these in any kind of duty capacity. They're just for testing purposes. So I'll give you my thoughts about it. For those interested, firearm is clear. Alright, the first thing I had to do is I needed to Dremel off some material right in here, so that way it can actually click close. There's a good amount of clearance issue. You can see where it rubs right there. That grease is because I did disassemble it and greased it up. Now, other than that, it aligns pretty good with the red dot. As far as the positive click, the closing, it holds, not as tight as I'd like it to be. The up motion clicks very good, and if I do it quick, I don't really notice it. But for a testing platform, I think it works well. If you're interested in seeing what it's like running a flip to center magnifier mount, works well. Like I said, I wouldn't use this for any kind of duty capacity, but for range use, couldn't hurt. Would I buy this again? Well, no. Would I even give this away? Nah, I wouldn't trust anybody using this. I could bet my left toe that if this was under hard use, that this aluminum would break. Now, with the flip to center, you do have to do away with the Magpul flip sights and get the offset. These are the metal Magpul ones. It's probably all I could recommend as far as backup sights when it comes to the flip to center, is get these 45-degree offset sights. This actually fits very well with the Streamlight. Tucks right on the handguard. This is the Aero Atlas handguard. If you're curious, this is just very basic build, 4.5 inch pin and welded rifle platform. It's a APF receiver, LaRue trigger, nothing crazy. Yeah, it's the Aero breech charging handle. But anyway, this video is not about that. It's not about the rifle. It's more about this little gimmicky thing. But yeah, I'll put the I'll put a screenshot of the company that I used to purchase this from. And I hope you can now use this video to make a better informed decision whether you want to spend your money on this Chinesium.